On this episode of Truck Video Tuesday, we're going to spray some primer. Here's something you need to pay attention to: the pot life. How long is it going to stay usable after you mix it? So it depends on temperatures and your mixing ratio. So I got to wipe those things down, hit them with a tack cloth, and then spray them. So you got anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour, because today's a 70-degree day. So I think I'm going to do that first, and then we'll come mix. So this is a 4 to 1 to 1, so 6. So if we go 6, divide it up into 100 milliliters, we're going to do 400 primer, 100 hardener, 100 reducer. At least that's the way my brain figures it out. Again, I'm not using the strainer funnel things because this has a built-in strainer inside of it. Keeps all the schmutz out from going into the spray nozzle. And then you can shake in here and check for leaks. No leaks, we're good. And then we'll check this when we get inside. When I spray on that piece of cardboard, I'm checking pressure and pattern to see if I like it. So, taking the tack rag and a wax and grease remover rag with me. Those stay wet. A clean microfiber. I need this. And this. And this. Be right back. I think we're ready.
like the sun. You know, baby, you're the only one.
How's your face? Let me see. Not too bad. So that's it. Now we just wait for this stuff to set up, and then we sand it again, and then we can reset up next week. Today is Friday, so we'll let this dry for a couple days, then we sand it, see if there's any more spots we got to fill. I don't think there is, because it looked really good under epoxy. But this is just, the primer is more sandable to get a smoother finish. The epoxy is not. And then we come back with color and clear. Color and clear we're probably going to do on the same day. That's all for Truck Video Tuesday. Don't forget to hit the like button. The likes help the channel. If you're not subscribing, hit the subscribe button. That helps the channel. I appreciate it. Y'all have a good day.